Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to split the screen. First, make sure your Dell is updated and Snap is enabled in settings so Windows can manage window placement. Open the two apps you want to use side by side. Once they are open, select the first window and press Windows key plus left arrow to pin it to the left half, then use Windows key plus right arrow on the second window. This immediate action places both windows neatly, and it's faster than dragging when you want consistency and precision. Now refine the layout and learn the deeper controls. If you drag a window to an edge, Windows shows snap previews. Drop to place. Make sure you watch the highlight so you release in the right zone. To create 4 quadrants, snap a window left then press up or down. Repeat on the right side. Use Task View or Alt plus Tab to swap the remaining windows quickly. These steps make multitasking efficient because you control exact sizes and swap content without minimizing. Finish by adjusting the divider between snapped windows. Click and drag the center bar so both panes are usable. Make sure content is visible and comfortable to read. If you use multiple monitors, snap windows on each display or use Windows key plus P to set projection modes, which keeps layouts predictable. If snapping stops working, toggle Snap in Settings or restart File Explorer. These quick fixes resolve most issues, and if that fails, rebooting the Dell usually clears lingering window management glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.